AI to blockchain to CRISPR to materials with radically new optical, electronic, and magnetic properties, we are all living through an explosion in potentially game-changing technologies. Even the smartest people in the world cannot really understand the impacts of any one of these technologies on life and business, let alone how they will all interact together to transform our world. But exponential technologies do not necessarily lead to exponential value creation. The history of technology is littered with sexy widgets that didn't solve any customer needs or have winning go-to-market strategies. Simply put, customers of any kind only pay premiums for new technologies which solve painful problems that they cannot solve for themselves. Who wins and who loses in the digital age will ultimately be decided by which organizations can harness new technologies to deliver outsized value creation and how fast they can do this. I've been working on the front lines of disruptive innovation since the tech boom of the late 90s. As well as helping scores of startups and scale-ups, I've advised many Fortune 500s like Microsoft and Vodafone, and non-tech companies like Virgin and Diageo, how to turn new technologies into breakthrough innovations. Over 25 years, I've seen well-funded startups mistake features for benefits, and massive corporates miss game-changing innovations in industries they themselves pioneered. I've seen smart companies and canny investors pour billions into new lines of code and new molecules without really understanding where value will be created in the future and how in which human beings want the technology. As a leadership futurist, I not only engage and inspire audiences with what's possible in the future, but also invite them to reflect on how they may want to shift how they think and act to create the future they want to see. I've never given the same talk twice, and I customize every keynote to your specific event, audience, and ambitions. I could share the different types of exponential technologies in the fourth industrial revolution, how to approach harnessing emerging tech to unlock sources of untapped value for customers, how technologists can work with marketers and other functions to drive transformations in products, processes, and business models, how to transition from tech specs to stories, from code to culture, from technologies to innovations, why smartness can be a bug, not a feature, of technology application and digital transformation, and how to avoid being disrupted by company killers and instead generate the killer apps of the future.